Every town or city has its people and places that make its own identity, and all people and communities have different needs. This year, you will explore what First Rise, powered by Star Wars Force for Change, is all about, and how you can build a better life for everyone by recognizing how our differences, unique perspectives, and creativity make us strong. As First City makes its early beginning, you can explore how life forms and robots cohabitate and create a diverse community. But different people have different problems, and as our city grows, building up to accommodate them all can be a challenge. Your mission is to help create a safe, healthy, and happy community and develop what First City means to you. Together, we rise.
Hi, I'm Marco, and this is May.
We live in Boomtown, and it's a lot like where you live.
Life in Boomtown is exciting because our town is growing.
We need more places for people to live, work, and play.
We need you to help us design a new building for Boomtown.
This season, we will teach you about what Boomtown has and what it needs.
You will also learn about the First core values. The core values are part of everything we do at First. They are like the bricks in your Inspire set. Each one helps make your team strong.
Discovery,
Innovation,
impact,
inclusion,
teamwork.
and fun.
You will use the core values all the time.
Keep track of all your great ideas and what you learn along the way so you can build a team model that includes a crane
Or the elevator,
in your Inspire set.
and then make it move using your WeDo 2.0.
Don't worry if you've never programmed before. We will have lots of fun learning together.
Use your imagination. Build something new.
Create something that's interesting, beautiful, strong, and fun.
Everyone on your team will have a chance to program and build.
At the end of the season, make a Show Me poster about your team and its journey.
Then get ready to celebrate at an expo. You can show and tell reviewers what you did and what you learned, and see what other teams created too.
We can't wait to see what you create to make life better for Boomtown.
Your ideas today could also help us build a better First City that inspires hope. Together, we rise.